Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of your favorite kitchen, your one and only original meal cooking channel in Ghana and beyond guys. I'm super excited as always to bring to your doorstep another sumptuous, healthy and mouth-watering food recipe. And I know you can't wait to try this amazing recipe. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get it started. Homemade recipes are the best, and today I bring to your doorstep the step-by-step preparation of coconut milk recipe. Let's begin by cracking our coconuts, separating the coconut water from the coconut shell and coconut flesh. Repeat the process until you are done. With the help of your knife, you can gently remove your coconut flesh from the coconut shell. Please be careful to prevent any kitchen accidents. Proceed to wash your coconut flesh with clean water. After separating it from the coconut shelf, wash it very well and break it into smaller sizes or pieces to allow easy and smooth blending. Transfer your coconut flesh into your blender and add good amount of water to allow easy and smooth blending of your coconuts. This is my result after blending. It has changed from one state to the other, from the solid state to the liquid state, as you can see on your screens. So with the help of my sieve or strainer, I will strain my coconut milk, separating it from the chaff. So guys, this chaff can be used for something else, which will come up in my subsequent videos. Watch out. So this is my coconut milk. Cover it and allow it to rest in the refrigerator for an hour. So guys, after an hour of my coconut milk resting in the refrigerator, you realize there are two parts. That is the top part and the down parts. The top part, which is the cream part, and the down part, which is the water part. The milk has settled on the surface of the mixture, as you can see on your screen, looking so pure, clean, smelling good. So guys, with the help of my ladle, I will be fetching my coconut milk on the surface of my mixture, gently fetch it, making sure that I do not fetch any excess water. Guys, isn't this beautiful? It is very creamy. If at this point you think I deserve a thumbs up, then guys, what are you waiting for? Please click on the subscribe button to join this amazing family. And don't forget to try this amazing recipe at home and let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Hans Kitchen, your diet, my headache. Aduane pa ede. So guys, after fetching my coconut milk, this is the water remains as you can see on your screen. The water I used in blending my coconuts. At this juncture, my homemade coconut milk is ready. Guys, it's ready. Isn't this beautiful? So pure, so creamy. Guys, cover it with a lid and keep it in a fridge. Please do not keep it in a freezer, keep it in a fridge. You can use this coconut milk for your food recipes, your waakye, your anwamo, that is your braised rice, your gari soakings, and many others. Guys, you would love it after trying this amazing recipe at home. My homemade coconut milk for sure looks creamy and tastes good. Try this amazing recipe at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. And guys, at this juncture, all I would say is thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end. It means a lot to me. And also, please don't forget to share this video with a friend. Leave me a comment, like this video. What else? Charlie, do everything, some subscribe, and see you with another video. Bye guys.